Transport. Children, transport is another most important character, or you can say aspect of the human environment. Transport is the means by which people and goods move from one place to another. In the early days, it took a great deal of time to travel long distances. People had to walk and used animals to carry their goods. Invention of the wheel made transport easier. And children, with the passage of time, different means of transport developed to a great extent. Transport also linked centers of production and consumption. Children, today even ideas and skills move from one place to another with the help of transport system. The development of different means of transport is influenced by relief features and economic activities of particular place. Even today, all parts of the world do not have an efficient network of transport. The progress in science and technology has developed fast means of transport. Land transport depends on an effective network of roads and railways. Water transport uses navigable rivers, canals, and other water bodies. Air transport requires big airports equipped with efficient means of communication. The most important feature of modern means of transport is that heavy loads can be carried over long distances in a very short time. Okay, so now we are going to see the different means of transportations. First, we will take roadways. Children, roads are an important means of transport over short distances. Roads can be metalled, or you can say pakka roads, and unmetalled kacha road. They are the best means to link the rural and urban areas across the country. Modern highways are well surfaced metal roads used for high speed traffic. They are wide enough to allow free movement of traffic in both directions. Roads have also been built in mountains, deserts, and forests. Children, the plains have a dense network of roads because it is much easier to construct roads in plains than in the mountains. In India, we have national highways connecting all major cities of the country. There are state highways and district roads which connect all cities and towns. The Manali Leh Highway in the Himalayas is one of the highest roadways in the world. Roads built underground are called subways, whereas flyovers are built over raised structures. And children, the latest addition to the Indian road network is expressways. And you know, children, the densest and best quality roads are found in eastern USA and western Europe in the world. European Russia has a denser road network than Asiatic Russia. In Africa, the Trans-East African Highway between Cairo and Cape Town is under construction. The major road link in Australia is the Transcontinental Stuart Highway. Railways. Children, railways are the fastest and the cheapest means of land transportation over longer distances. Diesel and electric engines have largely replaced the steam engines. Children, electric engines are fast and eco-friendly, and so they do not cause pollution. Railways carry raw materials to industrial regions and distribute the finished goods inside the country or carry them to the ports for export. The factors which influence the development of railways are the relief features of the region, the density of population, the availability of natural resources, and the level of economic development. Some important features of railways are like it is easier and cheaper to construct railways in the plains than in the mountains. The speed and capacity of the railways has been increased by constructing multiple tracks and the use of diesel and electric locomotives. Children, the broader the gauge, the greater is the capacity of the railways to carry load. A dense railway network is an indication of the prosperity of the region. Children, superfast trains have been introduced in some advanced countries. And with advanced technology, many inaccessible parts are now linked by railways. For example, the train between Lhasa and Xining runs at an altitude of about 4,000 meters above sea level. The densest railway network is found in Western Europe and East Central North America. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway system. It connects St. Petersburg in Western Russia to Vladivostok on the Pacific coast. There are trans-montane railway lines across the Pyrenees, the Alps, and the Carpathians in Europe. The railway network in Africa, Asia, Australia, and South America was developed by the Europeans to utilize the natural resources of that region. And children, the railway network in India is the largest in Asia and the fourth largest in the world.